Arnabji, just now you asked one of the panelists from Pakistan about the covenants and treaties that Pakistan does not oblige or does not respect, which it has signed. I've been working in United Nations since 31 years, going next week again to attend the Human Rights Council session. I agree with you. Pakistan is signatory to many covenants and treaties of United Nations, but respects none. Treaty on extrajudicial killing, treaty on torture, treaty on freedom of speech, treaty on right to food, right to life. You see Pakistan from Balochistan, KPK, Sindh, POK, everywhere it is chaos. There is no fundamental human rights in Pakistan.
Yes.
Talking about this treaty of water. It is an old treaty. The world was different in 1960. The need today is to sign a new treaty and oblige Pakistan to respect human rights of Pakistanis. We Pakistanis have no human rights. And these gentlemen sitting from Pakistan here, I question them. What is the situation in Delhi? What is the situation in Balochistan? Why your government of Pakistan army is not respecting any human rights?
Well said, well said. Well said, sir. Arif ji, I commend you for speaking up. Well said, sir. Well said.
I'm telling the truth. I'm just telling the truth. I'm not exaggerating matters. I know the issues. 31 years of my life I have spent in United Nations fighting for the human rights of Pakistani. I don't mind what Pakistan is doing outside. That is another story. Terrorism in Afghanistan, terrorism in India. That is another
Uzma ji,
story.
why are you blocking him?
I'm talking about the treaties and covenants that Pakistan has signed. And Pakistan is not respecting any of them.
The nonsense that you want him to talk.
People are missing in Pakistan.
Do not say that he is representing
An
Pakistan.
army of Pakistan, the biggest terrorist organization of the world. Pakistan army is missing.
Because he is also a Pakistani.
Women and children are sitting in Islamabad.
Uzma ji, he is also a Pakistani. Arif ji, can you tell us your background, where in Pakistan you're from, your association with Pakistan, and because they are now accusing you of speaking against their national interest.
Well, I'm not speaking against any national interest. I am speaking about fundamental human rights, which is guaranteed in Constitution of Pakistan, which is guaranteed in Universal Charter of Human Rights. Pakistan is a signatory to that.
Uzma,
I asked this lady, one question, that there is a small girl sitting...
Both, audio, both equal.
Tell me, I am orphan...
Arif, louder.
Since he raped an officer. That is what is happening in India. And you people are killing Sikhs all over the world. The Sikhs have taken
Uzma ji, I'm very happy that a Pakistani has exposed you tonight. Arif ji, louder.
40 crore people in India are lucky to be in India. Every Pakistani is dying to move to India. If you give an opportunity to Pakistanis,
Arif, louder.
Pakistan will be empty and everyone will move to India. This is India. Don't talk about India.
What human
Uzma.
rights are you talking about?